everyone, myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. Today is Friday. It has come again. Now, today we are going to present how to care for nails, benefit of coconut water, poems and so on. You viewers can also share your amazing activities, poem and other activities. You may contact us on the following mobile number 9563830285. 8617659448 750106437. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy, healthy water for a healthy family. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Toll free number 1800258760. Corona has not gone. Third wave is likely to surface. Don't fear but be cautious. Wear mask, keep physical distance, clean your hand, use sanitizer, vaccinate yourself as soon as possible. Motion Open Scholarship Test for Class 7 to 12th student. Get up to 50% scholarship for season 2021 to 22. Motion Durgapur Center. You can contact the number 943482278. Now it is the turn of nail care. Let us have some point on it. Trim your straight across. This will help you avoid ingrown nails, and also try to cut your nails right after you have showered or bathed so that the nails are soiled. If you would like to soften the corners or edges of your nail, use a nail file or a emery board while in constant direction to prevent weakening your nail. Feeling back and forth severely damage nail over time. Despite your nail care tools monthly in 70% or stronger inositol alcohol to maintain nail flexibility and prevent nail splits. Moisturize your nail after trimming them. Avoid harsh nail polishes, ones that contain ingredients like formulate and butyl phthalate weaken the nail. Furthermore, rapidly using blood pigmented color can cause your nail to become yellowed or weakened. If you like using blood color, try going to all natural periodically between wear to give your nail a break. Use gentle nail polish remover, a base coat and a top coat, and thin nail polish remover are mild and prevent your nail from drying out. When painting your nail, base coat help prevent your nail from getting stained. Top coats decrease the likelihood of the nail polish chipping and lesion and frequency with which you have to remove the nail polish. Moisturize your nail with oil to keep them flexible and strong. Like other areas of your body, your nail can benefit from being kept hydrated. Before going to sleep, try dabbing almond or avocado oil onto your nails in beds and cultures to stop them from getting dry, brittle or flaky. If you don't have almond or avocado oil, use lip balm. Subtle moisturizer are also available for purchase at a drug store and beauty stores. Protein and omega-3 fatty acid to your diet. Creatine and protein that makes up your nail can be better produced if you are consuming more foods like fish, nuts and beans. You can also try taking daily supplements like biotin and fish oil, which can be found at your local grocery or health food store. Vitamin B can also strengthen your nail. Zinc can help eliminate white spots, and iron can help stop the formulation of nail stretch. Vitamin A and C can help make your nail more hydrated and glossy. The recommended daily amount of protein is 8 gram 0.0018 IB per 1 kilogram, 2.2 IB of your body weight. It is the season of humidity with raining. We should keep our body fit. Coconut water help us to keep it fit. 11 incredible health benefit of coconut water. Coconut water is never out of trend despite various attractive, aromatic and nutrition drink in the market. Is miraculous drink beneficial for our body is multiple ways. Coconut water has been consumed for countries in tropical region around the world. In Ayurveda, coconut water is believed to help in activities of the body such as diagnosis and urines. It helps to provide an instant boost of energy. Coconut water nutrition fact: coconut water is a clear liquid present inside of green coconut. Over 95% of coconut water is water. An average green coconut provides about 0.51 cups of coconut water. Coconut water is rich in various minerals and electrolytes like potassium, calcium, magnesium, antioxidant, amino acid, and ketones. Coconut water is the best source of potassium and contain almost 470 mg of potassium. It is low in calories, carbohydrate, sugar. Unlike other juices, benefit of coconut water: energy booster. Coconut water is a great beverage to drink during the after workout. It rich in mineral, electrolytes and antioxidants that help to boost your energy level instantly. It may help athletes to refuel their energy stores and recover a little faster. If you drink this water during exercise, it may prevent fatigue and hydration. Best alternative for surgery juice. Coconut water is mildly sweet and nutty in flavor. It is low in calories, sugar and carbons. Unlike other sugary juices and sodas, it make it a better choice for diabetes for individual looking to reduce their consumption of added sugar. Help to lose weight. Fresh coconut water is beneficial in weight loss management programs. It is lower in calories than other beverage like soda or juice that help to lose weight. 1 cup of coconut water contain only 48 calories. May benefit to manage diabetes. Research shows that coconut water may help to manage blood sugar levels to improve diabetes symptoms. It is a good sources to manage which may increase insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar level. May be beneficial for heart health. Drinking coconut water may be beneficial to prevent heart disease and disease. It may help manage cholesterol level in the blood and maintain good heart health because it is high in potassium. May help to reduce high blood pressure. Being high in potassium, coconut water may help to manage blood pressure. Research suggested that potassium rich diets can help support heart health by managing body blood pressure and even protecting against stroke. Help in good diagnosis. Coconut water is rich in manage that helps to regulate your bowel movement. It may prevent gaseous digestion of the abdomen and consumption and activity. May help to diabetics and the body. Coconut water is versatile due to presence of mineral, electrolytes, and antioxidant. Coconut water helps detoxify your body by providing hydration. Antioxidant may help to prevent kidney stones. When you have kidney stones, your doctor will advise you to drink a lot of water. Although plain water works wonderfully, don't miss adding coconut water to your diet. Coconut water may help to prevent kidney stone formation, and when taken in moderate amounts may prevent urinary tract infection. Coconut water is known to be diuretic, increase urine output. Hence, it may help to flush out toxins by way of urine. It makes you pee frequently, but that's the way of urine infection may wide out. They reduce fatigue and stress. There are intense such a fatigue and stress where you feel lethargic and don't want to eat or to do anything. Sipping on a cup of coconut water may help you feel relaxed and it calms your mind. The disadvantage of coconut water is all over beneficial for our health due to the presence of various nutrition. You may still be wondering whether it is good to drink coconut water every day. For general people, it considered a good drink to consume. However, there is a exemption to it. People who suffer from kidney renal failures should not drink coconut water as it is rich in potassium. In kidney failure, your kidney may not remove extra potassium, which leads a stagnation of potassium in the body. Hence, be cautious with coconut water consumption in a renal failure patient. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe, and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. I am presenting poem Nature's Way by Leonore Hatred. The little tree by the old road fence grew in the summer sun. I want to grow tall, said the little tree, and growing is so much fun. The little brook running breathed. The bridge bubbled and sang all day. I want to become a river, it said, so I am hastening on my way. The little bird fluttered from out the nest and flew far across the yard. I will be a big tree, said she, tweeted, if each day I try real hard. The little boy stood on his tiptoes and stretched. I am just like the rest, said he. I want to grow up and see the big world, and the sooner the better for me. Mother Nature smiled at all her fleagons, but she did not bid them stay. She knew that to live and grow and age is forever nature's way. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Now I am presenting SMS of News Movement. Care is the most beautiful word which makes life richer. If somebody tells you take care, that means you live in their heart. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.